A great question from somebody working on a memo about unpublished cases and when you can or can't cite them. The answer is a little bit interesting, so let's take a look right now. When you pull up an unpublished case on Westlaw, so I'm looking at one in Iowa, Houston, there's going to be some indication of the court's decision being unpublished, right? You can see it's a decision without published opinion, or maybe at the end of the opinion, the court orders this decision shall not be published. There'll be some indication about it. Another way that you can tell is there's always some sort of WL site for you to pull up an unpublished opinion because it's not published in a Northwestern Reporter or other West Reporter. That with this California case here, again, you'll see the language not reported in the Cal Reporter. You'll see not officially published, and then you'll see the court's words not to be published in official reports. They tell it to you 3 times because of what you see with the key cite flags over here, unpublished, non-citable. And why is that a big deal? Because California Rules of Court, Rule 8115, restricts citation of unpublished opinions in California courts. So what does that rule say? Let's do California Rules of Court. And you'll notice it's a database, a source on Westlaw, which we can click on, and then run a search up here in the bar for 8.1115. When we do that and look up here, sorry about that, you'll see the rule citation of opinions. And you'll notice that when we run that search, you'll see, hey, except as in provided in B, you can't cite it or rely on it except under parts 1 or 2. So you see here that there are situations where you could cite or rely on that unpublished opinion, but very generally the rule is you can't cite it, you can't rely on it, not even as persuasive authority, because then you'd be citing it, you can't cite it. Compare that with the rule of court in Iowa, which says an unpublished opinion or decision of a court or agency may be cited in a brief. You see must not versus may, there's a distinction there. And unpublished opinions or decisions shall not constitute controlling legal authority because it's available on Westlaw 2017, Westlaw at star page number 2017, yeah? So you can see here what that looks like. Depends on the jurisdiction, depends on the rule of court. Look it up and drop a line if you've got more questions, either about published or unpublished cases, how to look up a rule of court, why that matters, and so forth. Your Westlaw account managers are over here on that right-hand side. Hit that connect button along the right. Thanks for watching and good luck on your memos.